Welcome back to Kaijo tutorial series. We're going to now continue the simple inventory tutorial series, and we're going to create the fetch method this round. So first we're going to create the method. So it's going to be a get method. We're going to call it fetch all brands, and we're going to declare the function. It's going to take a request and it's going to have the ability to return a response. We need to declare the header type that the method accepts. So it's always a good idea to have a try catch to catch any errors that may occur. And return a response so that the endpoint knows what is the interfacer, so knows what happened. It's always important to return something whether it's successful or not, so that the end user is aware of what is happening. Next, we'll use the brand model that was created in the previous tutorial. The beautiful thing about SQLize is that you have the ability to create the model and just manipulate the model, so it allows for speed and ease of use and maintainability. So just need to update the model itself, and that's it. So we're going to say brand.find all. So it will fetch, as name suggests, it will fetch all records inside of brand. The find all also has additional extensions that you could use, like for example where brands are not deleted, etc. So once the brand finds everything, then we need to handle that response. So we create a function and call the response brands. You can call it whatever you like. Then we need to handle that response. In our case, we would like to return the response as a JSON object. So response.json and brands. Now we're going to test to ensure that this method works. So we need to enter the URL, the base URL, and enter the endpoint fetch all brands, and as you can see, it has successfully returned everything. Please join me in the next part of the inventory tutorial series. Thank you.